Joe told me that there's a pop quiz today. He had it third bell, so.
Oh yeah, he told me fourth bill. I didn't study. Did you study on it?
Nah, man.
Alright everybody, you got a pop quiz today. Take out your pencils.
Oh my god, Joe. Oh my god.
Of course he was right.
Alright, ready? Good thing I came prepared.
What is that?
Oh my god.
Gatorade Prime.
Ah, you kids.
Once he drops it down.
Get started. Alright, time's up. Pass up your tests. D. F. Oh, Dominic. Nice job. Looks like you were drinking some Gatorade Prime.
Yes, sir. Gatorade Prime. Stimulate.